नाज़िर सदर आरिफ अलवी अशकाबाद में इक्तिसादी कॉन्फ्रेंस के खिताब कर रहे हो, ऐसे लाइव दिखा रहे हो।
Of the eco reinsurance company, so that we should be independent of others. Integration is connectivity, and ladies and gentlemen, connectivity today means much more than the road infrastructure, the railway infrastructure, the ability to transport goods through planes and the seafares, but the ability to transport intellectual know-how, the intellectual resources through the air, and that is where a virtual connectivity between eco-countries, within eco-countries, is going to lead us through into the new era. We should strongly advance the transport corridors, which the ECO has planned under Transit Transport Framework Agreement, TTFA. I welcome the operationalization of the Islamabad, Tehran, Istanbul, ITI road corridor. The key to connectivity is peace in Afghanistan. We have all mentioned that today. And after 40 years of war, which has ended in Afghanistan, there is emerging humanitarian crisis. And the specter of economic collapse looms large because of winters coming in and the increasingly deepening liquidity crisis with the freezing of their assets. It threatens a financial and banking collapse. It threatens to bring chaos back into Afghanistan. And I believe strongly it is upon the Muslim Ummah to play its role in trying to guide Afghanistan into an era of peace and prosperity, because the prosperity in peace in Afghanistan is essential for peace and prosperity for the entire eco-region. We must all join in preventing such a disaster which is looming, which could revive chaos and conflict. But besides humanitarian assistance, we must render help to the Afghan people in the key sectors of health and education. Excellencies, we must come together to promote economic stability and sustainability of Afghanistan after 40 years of misery, war, killings, bloodshed, and total destruction of their infrastructure. We have all witnessed the negative impact of unilateral coercive sanctions in our region. Freezing of assets and banking restrictions worsen the human suffering and entail serious implications for regional peace, security and prosperity. And who doesn't know better than the region, our brothers, Iran, and what happened in Iraq. So therefore, restoration of peace and stability in Afghanistan will also enable the early implementation of our agreed infrastructure and integration projects. The Tapi gas pipeline, the Kasa 1000 electricity grid, and Tajikistan and Kyrgyzstan to Pakistan, the electricity grid will serve, and construction of the Uzbekistan-Pakistan railway line. There is a danger. If there is reduction in peace, there is a danger of refugees, and that brings me to a point which is very important, and I wanted to state at this forum, that when I look at the contribution of the Muslim countries in welcoming refugees in misery, Pakistan has done an outstanding job. We hosted 3.5 to 4 million refugees in their difficult times. Turkey is doing the same in these days. And I am surprised that those who sermonize us, who give us lessons on humanity, the West, when refugees go to the West, try to enter the West, they are allowed to drown, but they are not salvaged. So therefore, Excellencies, I am very proud of the fact that our Islamic teachings and our history gives us the lesson and shows us in the world that we are the people who can bring morality, principles of ethics into international cooperation rather than vested interest, rather than pure exploitation and total disregard.
सदर आरिफ अली भी अशकाबाद में इक़्तिसादी सहकार जी 15 इजलास के खिताब कर रहे हो। संदर चवण त अफगानिस्तान में अमन जो क़याम ज़रूरी है। कामयाब इजलास ते मुनक़िद करण ते हुन क़ौम खे मुबारकूं ॾिनियूं आहिनि।